What is your biggest pet peeve? That's the question. And I labeled it part 1 because I've got more than one. And I'll give it to you really clear. I hate the fact that they don't teach sales and marketing in school. I hate the fact that I had to learn all of this on my own the hard way. You know, I was not one of those people that fit in. All throughout my life, I had personal problems. When I was a kid, when I was a teenager, I got involved in, drugs and alcohol, was killing myself with all of that. Almost ended up, in jail, prisons and that kind of thing. But I straightened up when I was in my early 20s, but still, I was young enough to go to college. My parents were begging me to do it. Why? Because they thought that that was the right path. And yet, I hated school. And today, now I'm talking about something that happened 35 years ago. Today it's, school makes even less sense for a lot of people with all the college graduates that are looking for work and people just not wanting to spend 30, 40 years of their life in some soul-sucking environment, working in a cubicle, trading their life, being indentured servants, so to say, or whatever you want to call it. There's just so many people out there like me that I, where I was 35 years ago. I just hated my life. I hated my job. I hated the fact that, I was working in factories, working as a welder, working construction, doing all kinds of work that I didn't enjoy doing. And yet I had to do it because I had no skills. Nobody ever taught me that there was a better way. They don't teach sales in schools. They don't teach direct response marketing in schools. So one of my biggest motivators, if not the biggest motivator, for the Stay Home and Sell program that we are producing is I want to help other people that are like me. People that want something more out of life, want more money, more freedom, more creativity, more joy, more passion out of life. That's what the sales and marketing profession, as I teach it, can offer you. That and much more. And live wherever you want to live, choose your own hours, and not have to trade your life to some corporation that just sucks the soul right out of you. So I hate the fact that I had to learn all of this on my own, and I want now to teach this to other people. There's nothing special about me. I've been able to generate many, many tens of millions of dollars in sales for myself and my clients just because I've learned certain methods that I'm committed now to teaching others. And I really wish there was an avenue for me way back when. And now I want to create that avenue for other people. So why don't they teach sales and marketing in school? Why don't they teach entrepreneurialism? I don't know. It's just, but it is definitely my biggest pet peeve. And I hope that something I've said here has made a difference. As always, if you're one of my clients, thank you. And if not, you want to learn more about what I'm doing, and you're watching this on YouTube or somewhere else on the internet, click on the link below. And thank you. Bye for now.